Ripple, one of the oldest and most influential blockchain-based payment networks, has made its first major acquisition by buying Metaco, a Swiss startup that provides secure storage and management of digital assets, for $250 million. This deal could have significant implications for Ripple's future, as it diversifies its business and expands its presence overseas. Metaco specializes in crypto custody for institutional investors, such as banks, custodians, and corporations. Its flagship product, Harmonize, is a platform that enables customers to issue, store, and settle any type of tokenized asset. Metaco has a strong track record of working with regulated entities and delivering enterprise-grade solutions. Some of its clients include Citi, BNP Paribas, and Société Générale's digital asset arm. By acquiring Metaco, Ripple is tapping into the growing demand for crypto custody services, which is expected to reach $10 trillion by 2030. Crypto custody is essential for institutional adoption of digital assets, as it provides security, compliance, and scalability. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that by focusing on the infrastructure, Ripple is not subject to the same volatility of the crypto market. Ripple is also leveraging Metaco's technology to offer new products and use cases to its existing customers, which include hundreds of financial institutions in over 55 countries. One of the most promising areas is tokenization, which is the process of creating digital representations of real-world assets on a blockchain. Tokenization can unlock new value and liquidity for assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, art, and even central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Ripple has been actively involved in CBDC initiatives around the world, providing its blockchain technology and expertise to central banks that want to create their own digital currencies. For example, Ripple has partnered with Bhutan's central bank to pilot a CBDC using its private ledger. With Metaco's custody and tokenization capabilities, Ripple can offer a more comprehensive solution for CBDCs that covers issuance, storage, and settlement. Another benefit of acquiring Metaco is that it gives Ripple access to a more favorable regulatory environment in Switzerland. Ripple has been facing a lawsuit from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, since December 2020, accusing it of conducting an unregistered securities offering with its native cryptocurrency XRP. Ripple has denied the charges and argued that XRP is a currency and not a security. Garlinghouse said that Metaco being based in Switzerland added to the appeal of the company, as the rules of the road in other markets are clearer than in the U.S. Ripple's acquisition of Metaco is a strategic move that could help it escape the SEC's crackdown and boost its position as a leader in enterprise blockchain and crypto solutions. By diversifying into custody solutions, Ripple is opening up new revenue opportunities and addressing the needs of its institutional customers. By leveraging Metaco's technology, Ripple is enhancing its product suite and enabling new use cases such as tokenization and CBDCs. By expanding into Switzerland, Ripple is gaining access to a more supportive regulatory framework and a wider global footprint. In this section, we will explore how Ripple and the SEC made their final bids for a quick win in the XRP lawsuit, and what are the main arguments and evidence presented by both sides, as well as the potential implications of the judge's ruling for the crypto industry. Ripple and the SEC have been locked in a legal battle since December 2020, when the SEC filed a complaint against Ripple and its two top executives, Christian Larson and Bradley Garlinghouse, alleging that they raised over $1.3 billion through an unregistered, ongoing digital asset securities offering of XRP. The SEC claimed that XRP is a security, not a currency, and that Ripple and its executives violated the federal securities laws by failing to register their offers and sales of XRP or satisfy any exemption from registration. Ripple and its executives denied the allegations and argued that XRP is a decentralized cryptocurrency that is not subject to SEC regulation. They also claimed that the SEC's lawsuit is based on a flawed legal theory and that it has caused significant harm to XRP holders and the broader crypto industry. Both sides filed motions for summary judgment in December 2022, asking the court to rule in their favor without sending the case to trial. In their motions, they presented their main arguments and evidence to support their positions. Ripple argued that XRP is not an investment contract, which is the legal test for determining whether a digital asset is a security. According to Ripple, XRP does not meet any of the four elements of the test established by the U.S. Supreme Court in the 1946 case SEC v. Howie Co., which are, an investment of money in a common enterprise with profits to come solely from the efforts of others. Ripple contended that XRP purchasers did not invest money in a common enterprise with Ripple, but rather bought or sold XRP as a medium of exchange or a store of value. Ripple also asserted that XRP purchasers did not expect profits from Ripple's efforts, but rather from their own use or trading of XRP. Ripple further claimed that it did not make any promises or commitments to XRP purchasers, and that it did not have any control or influence over the XRP ledger, which is an open-source and decentralized network of validators. Ripple also challenged the SEC's jurisdiction over XRP, arguing that the SEC failed to provide fair notice that XRP could be considered a security, and that it contradicted its own previous statements and actions regarding XRP and other similar cryptocurrencies. Ripple cited several examples of how the SEC recognized XRP as a currency or a commodity, such as allowing XRP to be listed on regulated exchanges, granting no-action letters to companies using XRP, and participating in international forums where XRP was discussed as a virtual currency.